good morning, class 11th. How are you? Hope doing well, and whatever the work is given to you, you are completing. But many of you are again doing the same mistake and not submitting your work in time. Now, you had seen in a previous messages in your groups of various classes that highlighted point is there about COVID-19, and we all are aware about COVID-19 and coronavirus. Certain precautions that we have to take while coming to school, not only in school but already we are taking in our homes and in our public places. But as the time is passing by, people seems that this disease will not harm them, or there is no disease. But many times we are misjudged by our own views. We have to take regular precaution. First is that we have to make social distancing from each other while we are talking, while we are doing work at home or buying something. Social distancing is very important. Second thing is we should always wear a good quality mask. It is very important to protect ourselves. Third is wash our hands, sanitize our hands while touching various things, because it is impossible that without touching we can do work. But while doing work, we should always remember to wash our hand, to sanitize, and whatever things we are using. Generally, most of the time we use mobiles, books. We can sanitize it to prevent or to take extra precaution. When you will at school, avoid asking water bottles from others or avoid toilets. If it is necessary, you can go, but if it is not necessary, do not be there and do not make a group. So, these are the general instructions that I have to give you in a previous, but somehow I was unable. But now I had given to you and follow it. And couple of weeks before I had told you to make files, and how you will make file. This is a outer cover of a file. Here you can see the name, logo, address, project, file, physical education, submitted to Sandeep sir, submitted by. The whole page will be at the cover, and you can decorate it or you can take out. Now here you can see acknowledgement. Here you can see acknowledgement. It is written here acknowledgement, and acknowledgement is all about, I am showing you the previous year class 12 file, and it is checked by the examiner who was out of the school. After that, you will add index you will add what you are making. And here Bhavna had made a file on volleyball, and what she has written in a volleyball introduction. First, introduction, history, rules, court, ball, scoring, libero. Change in rules. What are the changes in rules? Skills. She has mentioned about the skills, and she has taken 4 skills like serve, pass, attack, and blocking. And all these make 13 to 14 pages. Then she has add about asana, history, and she has taken 2 asana, tadasana and bhujangasana. Borrow 3 item test, standing jump, zigzag running, medicine ball. This is all about class 12 skill and John test and Harper test. All these things, although they are in class 12th, but a little portion is in class 11th also. And if you are unable to make this file, you can ask from me or Vikas sir and copy it, whatever, see it, what is there inside the file, and you will cover it with a proper cover of the file. It should be neat and clean. Understand class 11? Because file carry marks, and during practical 30 marks are there, and 5 marks is for file also. Understand class 11? If you are unable to understand, ask and watch video what I am saying to you, and try to understand that files are very very important for your project. Now you came to know about file. I had shown the outer part of the file. You can take out from and photostat and colored it and paste it in your file. In a previous chapter, I had told you about circulatory system, circulation of a blood, and one of the important circulatory system part is heart. And we came to know about location of heart, where it is situated, and the size of heart. It is about 300 grams. Structure of a heart, the shape of a heart, function of a heart. It is very very important, the function of a heart. Circulation of blood through the body mainly depends upon the heart. And there are 2 types of circulation. One is systematic circulation and another is pulmonary circulation. Systematic circulation. In systematic circulation, blood come out from the left ventricle of the heart through aorta. Then it passes through a small arteries which carry it to a various parts of body. That means oxygenated blood. And second is pulmonary circulation. From the right auricle, blood passes into ventricle. When right ventricle contracts, the blood goes into pulmonary artery. This divided to carry the blood to the right and left lungs. This is called as pulmonary circulation. Systematic circulation carries oxygenated blood, and pulmonary circulation carries deoxygenated blood. Then pulmonary capillaries unite until veins are formed. The blood comes back to the heart by four pulmonary veins which release the purified blood into left auricle. So this is pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Now last heading is oxygen depth and second wind. What is oxygen depth? The meaning of oxygen depth. Oxygen depth means when the demand from oxygen is greater than the supply. It means that when your blood works hard, you breathe a lot of oxygen, but you cannot absorb enough oxygen to cope with the level of activity. Suppose example is there, you are taking part in athletic meet, school athletic meet, and a chance is given to you to run 200-meter race. You had seen students by taking one round, then second round. At the end of second round, they need more oxygen and they open their mouth and start taking the oxygen because they are tired. There is a need of more oxygen. Why there is a need of more oxygen? Because the supply is less. That's why you are working hard and heartbeat is moving fast. You need more oxygen. That means more energy, which provide a continual supply of ATP. That is creatine phosphate, glycolysis, and oxidative citric acid. When our muscles remain in rest position, these large amount of ATP and creatine phosphate, but when we start exercise during first few seconds or muscular contraction, the reserved ATP is used immediately while we are doing any type of exercise. If light exercise is to be done for a longer period, other sources of ATP must be available. So this is our oxygen depth. In this, generally we have to understand when we are doing hard physical work, we need more supply of oxygen because it is the main source of our energy. Second wind. What is second wind? We had seen oxygen depth. Second wind. When we do vigorous activity, participating in long distance race or playing football, hockey, we feel like stopping the activity immediately. Sometimes you had seen a child is running and he is tired and he stops immediately, or he is willing to stop immediately. He do not want to take part any further. If we take our mind to continue that activity, we feel relaxed and comfort. We do not face any problem while intailing. This stage is termed as second wind. We do not face any problem. Discomfort which we face in the beginning includes the following symptoms. In past few couple of minutes we feel problem, but we set our mind that we have to run. It is very easy to participate or continue that part. Following symptoms are there: breathlessness, pain in chest, headache, pain in the muscles. In past few moments, feeling out of dry throat, that we sometimes we need and we think we need more water. So this is the second wind, and one of the best example is there that while we are trying to play football, or because it is we are involving our whole body and we need more and more energy.